Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to integrate an IR device to Home Assistant. You can see this is my mobile phone and I can press this fan for on and turn off. So this will be very easy, and this video I will show you the easiest way to add the IR device to Home Assistant. This is very simplest. So I will use this video as an example for this is my fan, and also we will look at how to integrate to the air conditioning very easily. And here you can see I have installed the Home Assistant on the Kinkoney server mini version. So this is a Raspberry Pi 4 computer. And now let's look at this computer, the Home Assistant dashboard. I have created this button, but actually we need to go to this AG device web page. So that is KC868-AG, because if you want to learn any IR device, you just need to click this IR web page and to learning the signal. Also, the AG support learning the IF signal, so you can learn IF and IR signal to the AG. You can see I have learning the first ID that is turn on and turn off the fan, and this is the first step. And the second, we need to find out the HTTP command, so that we can integrate the Home Assistant by this RESTful command. So that will be very easy. Just this 3 sentences in YAML file. And after you learn, the ID is 1. So you can see our Kinkoney KCS firmware, and this is HTTP command, and just this file. And you will find how to send the IR signal by HTTP command. And this also can send to IF command. This video I will show you how to send by IR. So you can see just 1 sentence I have copied at here. So this is your board IP address, this gateway IP address. So you can see that is this IP address, and this is command CMD command run IR. The ID is 1, so this ID is 1. So I can fill this 1. If I learn in the second, and I can change the ID to 2, and this not needed to change, and this is secret. The secret just a password of your protocol. You can see here the protocol generate, and we can enable the HTTP protocol. And this is the secret ABCD. So I have filled this ABCD. If you input this is 1, 2, 3, and so that you can input is 1, 2, 3. So just as thing as your setting in web page. And I'm not changed. So this is ABCD. And this command, you can see I can copy and paste to test. You can open web browser and just paste it here, and you will see the fan is on. So this command is working, no problem. And at last, we can turn off. And when you confirm this HTTP command, and the last you can see here, just in your Home Assistant file edit and configure your YAML file, you can see here, I just create this REST command, the fan HTTP. This is your name and this is URL. Just one sentence. And if you have second button, I will create later. I will show you how to create it very easily. And this is the first one. So then you can go to the dashboard, overview, dashboard, and you can edit dashboard. And this, I have created this card just for a button. So you can see I can edit this card. You can see I can just tap action call service. That is fan HTTP I have created in YAML file. So that can be very easily just this 3 steps, and learning and get the HTTP command and create the button on dashboard will be very easy. Okay, now I will show you how to add a button to Home Assistant. Just we will learning this directions, this button for directions. So the first you can see, I can go to this web page and click this IR. And this time we need to learn the second ID Okay, successfully. And we can close and transmit, turn on the fan. And now you can see I can click this transmit. So this will be turning the directions. And I can, you can see it's turning. Then I can click transmit and it will be stop. And click again, that will be turning again. So this have rendered the second ID to this gateway. So that I can use this HTTP command. Now you can see I can create this HTTP command. Just copy and paste. I only need to change the ID is 2. So this is 2. And anything else not needed to change. And this is change directions fan. So you can see I can copy this command to Home Assistant YAML file. Let's turn off the fans. I can go to here, and this I can also copy and paste. This I can fan direction. This HTTP command, and I also need to change this is 2. So this is send the second command, IR command. I can press save, and you can press this restart Home Assistant because every change for the YAML file we need to reboot of the Home Assistant. You can see now is the reconnection to Home Assistant. And after we create this HTTP service, we just go to the dashboard and create this button. Okay, now you can see the Home Assistant is started. And now we can go to the overview dashboard. You can see here. Let's look at how to create the second button. You can click at dashboard and click at the card and just click at the button because this button is custom size. And we can choose the name, fan direction, or fan turning. And this just use tap action. Just click and call service. And the service, we can input fan. You can see this is the fan direction we have created. So we just click this way and click save. So you can see I can click down. The second button is create. So I can click this button to turn on and click this button. You can see the fan will be turning, and click again, the fan is turning. So this is very easy to create the custom button for your any IR device in Home Assistant. Okay, this is the easiest way for fan and for the TV. Just learn and send, learn and send. Let's tell you how to create the air conditioning. Learning the air conditioning button to Home Assistant is also very easy. So we can just also use this way. You can see I can go to this AG page, and the third, I just want to turn on the air conditioning. So you can see I can click learning and press this button, and it should successfully. And I can press this transmit, and you can see my air conditioning. I click this transmit, and this will be B. Now we're learning the turn off. You can see I can press learning button and press this button. Okay, we can choose close and click transmit. You can see I also have a sound. So that is learning successfully. Now I will show you. Okay, let's test the air conditioning. You can see if I press transmit, turn on, and you can see the air conditioning is open. And I click this turn off, and you can see the air conditioning, the light LED is off. So use this, you can see I can learn the IR conditioning for on and for off. Just this button is for on and off. And you can learn any button of the air conditioning. So also I can use this way. You can see I just copy and paste at this HTTP command. So you can see just to lines. This is number 3, and this is number 4. And the number 3 is AC, air conditioning on. And the number 4 is AC, air conditioning off. So now in Home Assistant and Field Edit, just copy and paste it here. And I can air on. And this is air off. And this command ID is 3. And this command ID is 4. So we can press save and click this one and restart Home Assistant. Press yes. Okay, it started. We can click overview and dashboard and edit dashboard to add a card. You can see add a card and press button. And this time AC on, AR on. And call service, and the service is AC, is AR. You can see here AR on, and also you can change your icon. You can see the some AR device. We just click and press save, and maybe another card is off. So air conditioning off, and also tap action call service, and air is off. This HDB command, and you can press save. And now let's test. This is AG board, and you can see that is air conditioning. So this have about some meters. The master support 8 meters. So you can see I press this button on Home Assistant. The AC is on the dashboard, and I can press this button. The AC air conditioning is off. So now you can create these 2 buttons for air conditioning. In this edge gateway, you can see there are so many IR transmit, so that will send a signal from different directions. So almost the range is covered all the room. So that will be very useful. You can put this box in anywhere. Even if you can see this is my fan. So you can see if I cover this box, I can press this fan on. It also will be on. And press again, this will be off. So this plastic shoe will transmit and go through the IR signal. So if I can just use this way and turn on the fan and turn off the fan, and it's no problem. So use this way, you can learn the IR signal to the box and send it by HDB command integrated to Home Assistant very easily. And in future video, I will show you how to learning this RF signal to the box, and also you can send this by this HDB command this way very easily. And also you can use IF remote to control your air conditioning, is no problem. Okay, thanks for watching.